Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can edit your profile on Clash. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the Clash app. After that you have to click on the profile icon, which is at the bottom of the screen on the right corner, and you can see after that at the top of the screen that pencil icon. Click on that, and here we are at the edit profile section. So here you can select the radiant profile picture if you do not want to set up your own profile picture or make a profile picture. Alright, after that you can change your username anytime. After that you can change your display name, or to have a display name. I'm going to type just ask me. And after that, about tell us about yourself. So you can write a small introduction of yourself, like in any other social platforms. So yeah, and if you are done, you have to click on the save, which is at the top right corner, and now your profile is done. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.